Hi guys, my name is Pete and this is Training Kicho. Welcome to this new video. We are on Monday, so as usual, let's focus um, on to look for something, some opportunities to catch during this week with my usual Monday live analysis. So let's start from future S&P future, and as you can see, as I highlighted a lot of Monday Live, uh, previous Monday Live. Here we have a divergence, a RSI divergence. So when RSI break this neckline, price will move down with a strong bearish momentum. Okay, reach this zone. So we are in a very crucial moment, as you can see from this trend line on the line graph. So we keep on be bearish, but on a long time perspective, we are long. Okay, so I will change this point of view when I will see a price here. Okay, so breaking this trend line. This is a very good zone, but as you can see, this is the last POC that we have, but as you can see, there are orders already mitigated here. So if price will break the zone, okay, and go here, we'll probably going to be consolidating here, but then will break and fall down here. Okay, why here? Because this is a very, very powerful, very strong zone from which this impulse had created. And this is the last POC that that is not mitigated yet. Okay, so probably price will fall here and then will bounce again in this zone. On an intraday perspective, I already highlighted this zone and share this view in my Discord group. So I just waited for the price to reach the zone and to open the position. Okay, if my personal trigger as my personal setup. Okay, my setup is triggered. Then we have this zone. Okay, and then we wait for the best one, the highest one here, but probably not this week. Okay, let's move on Nasdaq, and same story more or less. Even if here we have a much clearer bearish setup. Here we have a RSI divergence as well. When RSI broke this neckline, price from here, okay, went down. And on my opinion, this setup is I mean, the bearish momentum is clear here. So I'm bearish, and I'm going to wait for the price to reach this zone, this POC. Okay, let's move on the other markets. And I already opened a sell position. This is a demo account. This is not my personal my main account, but anyway, We are on Australian dollar yen, and as you can see, the reason by which I opened this trade, we have here a divergence, okay, RSI divergence, in a very, very interesting zone, which is this one, okay. Uh, that is the zone from which this impulse started. So we this is a zone which there are a huge amount of sellers volumes. After when I saw this divergence, I wait for a confirmation, and then I open a trade here more or less with the stop loss. No, sorry, I open here with the stop loss just a few pips above this high, and the take profit, I said this one, but I hope that will price will push down until will reach this zone. Okay, so we have an interesting 3.40 risk reward ratio. Eurgbp, always on a daily time frame. Well, I had this very interesting zone, which we have a huge amount of volumes to be mitigated. And when I saw this divergence, and when I saw the RSI that broke the neckline here, okay, I understood that that I have momentum, okay, by my side. So I opened the trade, stop loss just a few pips here, below this low, and the next zone will be this one. Okay, so the reason by which I sell my take profit here is this. So this is a very huge zone from which this impulse had created. So the take profit is this one. USD CHF. Here I didn't open any trade yet, but same old story. So I wait. I saw this zone. When price reach the zone, I wait for a setup. So we have here a RSI divergence. Okay, and now I just wait for momentum. Okay, by my side. So the trigger will be when I will see RSI here, okay, breaking this neckline, if only if, okay, price will not be here. I mean, if I see price here and RSI here, we miss the impulse. Okay, so I will not open a trade. I will see RSI here and price below here. Okay, and then I will open a trade with stop loss here, and probably the next target will be here. Okay, Amazon, on the past Monday live, we were here, and I told you to open a long when price when price was here. Okay, so inside this dynamic support, okay, dynamic zone support. Okay, so price just move up but then fall down. Okay, if you move stop loss to break even, in this case to entry, in this case was no problem, otherwise will be stop loss. But now we have a very interesting opportunity, that because price break the zone, retested, okay, and then now will probably fall down again. Okay, the next area, so the target will be this one. Okay, will be this one. So very interesting, very interesting. Very potential trade on Amazon. The last one will be Microsoft, and I remember the last. This is the drawings of my last Monday live, when the last time I was focusing on Microsoft. We were here, and I remember I told you that price will bounce here on this trend line, move up. This, we are on a channel. Open a trade. I told you to open a trade here and then here. So we are very good. This was a very good trade. Okay. Now we have to wait. We have to wait. We are on a very bearish momentum, but is not enough to open another short, just because I want some more confirmation. Okay, because this is a very important zone. So I just want to see the price here. I just want to see a setup here, and then we can move. We can move. We can open a trade for a short idea. Okay, in the next future. Okay, guys, this will be enough for this week. And if you enter my Discord group, I will share all my intraday ideas on future, on S&P future and Nasdaq future as well. And I hope you like this video. Tell me what you think about, and tell me what, if there is something, some trading instrument that you want to for me to analyze. And okay, that's enough. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.